Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. So there has been a lot going on. Today's video is just going to be full of some cleaning motivation. I'm also pulling down all of my decor, all of my non-seasonal decor, and getting it packed up and ready for the move to Texas. But also, you guys, just a little update. We are officially in Texas. I obviously recorded this before we actually moved. And I had every intentions on getting it up before now, but it has just been overwhelming and really chaotic in the whole moving process. We've had issues with the house that we're in, so it's just been a little crazy. But I definitely wanted to get this video up for you guys before the holidays, so it does give you that motivation you need to kind of prepare for everything, get your house cleaned up, or just give you that little extra motivation you need to prepare yourself for the holiday season. So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It does give you that motivation to get some things done. But let's go ahead and jump right into it and get started.
And you may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget.
Alright, so I am just going to go ahead and start off in the kitchen and get the kitchen cleaned up first, because I will be spending the majority of my time in the family room, getting everything cleaned up as well, and then pulling things off the walls and getting them ready to be packed up. I was really sad to put away all of my fall decor because I wanted to see it a little bit longer, but with literally less than 2 weeks at this point to get things packed up, it was starting to stress me out. So it had to be done, and it actually made me feel so much better getting all the things off the walls and just packed away. There was just so much to do, and moving is a process and it is very stressful. So props to you guys who move pretty often or just move in general, because it's a lot of work.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. Can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
So I'm going to try and not chat too much throughout this video, just so you guys can just get the motivation you need from it, enjoy the music, and just clean right alongside with me. But if you guys are new to my channel, first of all, thank you so much for stopping by to watch today's video. I am so excited that you're here. I absolutely love sharing these types of videos. I love getting you guys motivated and just cleaning right alongside with me. But over on my channel, I also share a lot of organization, decluttering, some decorating, and I just absolutely love it. So if you guys enjoy content like that, be sure to subscribe down below. I would absolutely love to have you as part of my YouTube family. And as I've talked about it before, we just moved to Texas, so there's going to be a lot of new content coming your way, so you're not going to miss anything. And yeah, so I'm excited to have you guys part of my YouTube channel.
Never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. no label. Oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path. I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win. I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done, I'll be number one. Working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooters gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won. Yeah, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. Grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path. I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't.
So in the whole packing up process and moving journey, we have discovered that there are so many things that were boxed up in the garage and literally were just sitting there for the entire year where you're in this house. So one of the things I definitely want to do as I'm unpacking in our new house is to really think about what we have and start really decluttering. We want to minimize some things that we just don't need or we don't use anymore. And so yeah, giving you guys tips on how you guys do some major decluttering like that. And I'm talking about like decor things, house things, just literally everything. So let me know all of your decluttering tips down below.
Ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. I can help you out. 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 Look, if you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change.
Okay, so one of the reasons why I was so sad to pack up my fall things so quickly was because I had picked up a few new things for the season before the actual season started, and I was so excited to enjoy them and display them, but we just honestly had no idea how quickly we would be moving, and honestly thought it was going to be at least another year. But yeah, I am going to try and remind myself not to pick anything new up for the next entire year unless it's just something that I absolutely cannot live without, which is very little, and I'm going to try and be very minimal over the next year or so, just because we will more than likely be moving at some point next year again, just because of Chris's job, but who knows? I mean, things can change very quickly. So yeah, I'm going to try and keep that in mind as I'm shopping around, not to buy anything else for the house because I just don't want to pack any more things that I don't use.
25 in the middle of the night, got my engine thundering. Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's slow us down, break the speed of sound. Tonight we all know crazy. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Rebel on the highway, blue lights flashing behind me. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat.
Okay, so now that the kitchen is all finished, I'm going to come into the living room and just start taking things off the wall and getting them packed up with the other fall stuff. And this room felt so bare afterwards. It was so weird. But the 2 weeks that had passed went very quickly, so it felt like it was hardly even noticed at how bare this room was. Especially when we just basically started packing the truck up. It was just, time went by so incredibly fast. I can't even believe that we're already in Texas. I feel like this was just yesterday. Time is a crazy, crazy thing.
Racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Rebel on the highway, blue lights flashing behind me. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat. Rebel on the highway, blue lights flashing behind me. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat, you make my heart beat.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie. pain is in my eyes. Feels like I could break at any moment and shatter your insides. If you read my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints that are hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I know. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I promise now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you. I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie.
So you'll probably notice that there was a really quick outfit change, but this was actually over the process of 2 days. Thank you to the interruptions that happened throughout the day, having kids, and just the entire process of packing and moving. I wanted to record more of our moving process, but honestly, you guys, life is so crazy and time goes by way too fast. We were trying to enjoy family time when we can and just time with each other and just being present and making the transition easy for the boys. So I just did not get around to it. So anyways, I'm going to finish up by vacuuming up this room. I'm also going to vacuum the couches because it has been a while since I've done that. And I really needed to get it done before they got packed up and moved. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and it gave you some extra motivation for the holiday season to get you up and moving and getting things done. Make sure you guys are subscribed before you leave here. Have an amazing holiday season and happy Thanksgiving. I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.
I would rather lie.